짜잔! 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 치킨 디텍티브 김입니다.
And I'm her assistant, regular Meg입니다. Bystander Meg입니다.
Today we're gonna talk about the history of
Chicken!
well,
한국에서 the history of Korean chicken or of chicken in Korea.
that's right. So we have a lot of chicken, and then we have different chicken food, and then also we have different chicken things going on in Korea.
And if you've watched any K-drama for any amount of time, you know how much Koreans love chicken. So we'll start at the very beginning.
Here's the if you say chicken, say chicken
Chicken,
means what?
fried chicken.
That's right. If it's a regular chicken, we call 닭.
닭.
But if something to the chicken and then it's fried and put some other spices, we call chicken.
Chicken.
That's right. So now let's talk of the history of fried chicken in Korea.
Let's do it.
That's right. 1960s or 1970s, I'm not really sure, but we starting frying chicken. We call this one 통닭.
통닭.
What is 통?
Whole.
닭.
Chicken.
That's right. Whole chicken.
Whole chicken fried up.
그렇죠? Number one, you kill it, and then you chop the head of it,
네.
and then you seriously fry it.
Seriously fried.
Yeah, you put it in the big whatever special machine. They put in the whole chicken. Seriously kill another time. Kill one more time.
Big yellow time.
And after that we buy and we eat.
네.
We still have the of course. And then after that,
After that,
1980s. Ta-da! KFC came to Korea.
what's KFC?
That's right. Oh, you pretend very smart. Okay.
I've never heard of that abbreviation before.
Really? Okay. So we call this a Korean
Fried
fried chicken.
chicken.
Or people say Korean
Korean
fried
chicken.
chicken.
All because there's no F sound in the Korean alphabet, so fried
Or
or
you can say fried.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good job. So after that, what happened? You know, people heard about Kentucky Fried Chicken in 1980s, and then they put names Kentucky Fried Chicken. They become a type of chicken. So they put their chicken house name another on top, and then they put the Kentucky Fried Chicken. Okay, like that. How Korean chicken? How they make sound?
Kokio, go 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 go. Way more fun than cluck cluck, by the way.
Of course. So, you know, people in 1980s, they heard about Kentucky Fried Chicken. So, they started make, and there's a lot of Kentucky Fried Chicken, Korean style. Now, let's analyze what's the biggest difference between from 통닭 to,
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
that's right.
네.
Number one, from whole chicken to,
chopping it up.
that's right.
So we're no longer just dropping a naked chicken into a hot oil bath. We are chopping the head off, of course,
then?
but chopping up the rest of it too.
And then over chop, and then after that, what do you do?
Breading it.
That's right. Okay, good. Also yummy, you know, Ireland is yummy. Okay, good. After that, 1986, according to my research, we they put number one real Kentucky Fried Chicken commercial on TV. Can you imagine how it looks like? Number one Kentucky Fried Chicken commercial.
Rolling fields of Kentucky and a classic Kentucky folk song.
So that's right, they did. So you call, what's the name in English?
My old Kentucky home.
That's right. Korean we say Kentucky 옛집.
Kentucky 옛집.
Kentucky is, you know, Kentucky. 옛집 is what? 옛집 is old house. My home, old home. 그러죠. Okay. So that was number one KFC commercial in Korea. People knows Kentucky 옛집 the song very well. Yeah.
I don't, but some people do.
A lot of people in Korea.
A lot of people in Korea do.
But this country, not really.
Oh.
So if you ask, hardly anybody knows except the people who lives in Kentucky.
The Kentuckians better know it.
That's right. 자, who made Kentucky 옛집?
Stephen with a PH Foster. Stephen Foster, the father of American folk song.
That's
Folk
right.
music, folk song.
그렇죠. So, father of American folk song. Okay.
Stephen Foster.
That's right. But guess what? So funny. In Korea, we test his name a lot. In the music test, they ask us many times. Is that funny?
Yeah, I've never heard of him before. Myung Sonsing them told me about him. But
That's right.
apparently all Koreans are tested on Stephen Foster frequently.
Okay, so here's the thing. Who I am?
Chicken Detective Kim입니다.
안녕하세요.
There's a lot of things to find out about chicken, and we need a detective, an
That's
inspector,
right.
if you will,
Yeah.
to tell us all about it.
Chicken history detective.
Yeah,
Very cool.
so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need sunglasses though next time.
Yeah. With chicken something.
Yeah,
Okay.
chicken feet.
So far that's the number one. Chicken history.
Fried chicken history. Yeah.
Ah. Is it good? Sounds good to you?
Sounds good to me. I can't wait for part 2, frankly.
Okay.
네, 감사합니다, Detective, Chicken Detective Kim.
통다.